Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson V8 from the charging dock to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button to release the battery. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out if it feels stuck. Once the battery is free, set it aside. Now, take a moment to clean the internal compartment where the battery sits. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help ensure a good connection with the new battery. If you find this task too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your Dyson serviced without any hassle. With the compartment clean, it's time to install the new battery. Align it with the connectors and push it firmly into place until you hear a click. This indicates that the battery is securely attached. Next, we need to secure the battery in place. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, locate the screws that hold the battery cover. Carefully remove these screws and set them aside. If you're unsure about the process, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. This will expose the internal components of your Dyson V8. Take a moment to inspect the area for any signs of wear or damage. If everything looks good, replace the battery cover and secure it with the screws you previously removed. After securing the cover, it's essential to test the vacuum. Plug it back into the charging dock and allow it to charge for a few hours. Once charged, turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Finally, clean up your workspace, ensuring all tools are put away and any old batteries are disposed of properly. Regular maintenance of your Dyson V8 will prolong its life and efficiency. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, our service includes no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to keep your vacuum in top condition. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.